Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 19, Python Object-Oriented Programming with Classes and Objects. Object-oriented programming is a method of structuring programs using classes and objects. It helps organize code into reusable components. A class acts as a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the attributes and methods that its objects will contain. An object is an instance created from a class. Each object has its own data and can access the class methods. The init method runs automatically when creating an object. It helps initialize object attributes like name or age. Object-oriented programming improves code reusability and organization. It is ideal for building large and scalable applications. This diagram shows how a class is defined. An object is created, methods are called, and the program completes. Here is an example showing how to define a class with an init method and use an object to call a method. When this code runs, it prints a message from the object's bark method. This example creates a simple empty class named person and creates an object from it. The output of example 1, creating a simple class is as follows. Less than underscore underscore main underscore underscore, person object greater than. This example uses the init method to set a name attribute and defines a greet method that prints a greeting. The output of example 2, adding attributes and methods is as follows. Hello, Alice. Here the car class is used to create multiple objects with different details like brand and model. The output of example 3, creating multiple objects is as follows. Toyota Innova, Honda City. This example shows how a method inside a class can accept parameters and return a value. The output of example 4, methods with parameters is as follows. 12. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a class student with attributes name and age and print them. Define the attributes inside the init method and print them using an object. Exercise 2. Create a class employee with an init method and a display method. Use the display method to print the employee's information. Exercise 3. Create multiple objects from a class and print their attributes. Define a class and create several objects with different data. Then print the values. Exercise 4. Write a class calculator with a multiply method that takes 2 parameters. Define a method that returns the product of the 2 values and call it using an object. Exercise 5. Create a class book with a method to display book details. Use the init method to set title and author, and display them using a class method. Thank you for watching episode 19. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.